Imagine a vast open plain stretching toward the horizon. This is the realm of open-source large language models, or LLMs. These AI systems, built on shared knowledge, invite collaboration and customization. Now, picture a meticulously cultivated garden enclosed within walls. This is the domain of closed-source LLMs, developed and controlled by private entities. These models offer a more curated and polished experience. Both open and closed LLMs possess strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these differences is crucial. It allows us to navigate the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. This journey of exploration starts with defining our terms. Open-source LLMs are often hailed as engines of innovation. Their transparency allows developers to peer into the very heart of the system. This access fosters a deeper understanding of the underlying technology. It empowers them to identify areas for improvement and even contribute to the model's evolution. This collaborative spirit, reminiscent of the early days of the Internet, has resulted in remarkable advancements in the field. One of the key advantages of open-source models lies in their flexibility. Users are not bound by the limitations imposed by a single entity's vision. Instead, they are free to adapt and modify the model to suit their specific needs. This freedom extends beyond simple customization. It empowers users to create entirely new applications and functionalities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Furthermore, open-source models often come with a lower barrier to entry. Their open nature makes them accessible to a wider range of users, including startups, researchers, and individual developers. This accessibility fosters a more democratic and inclusive AI landscape where innovation is not limited to large corporations with deep pockets. However, this freedom and flexibility come at a price. Open-source models may require a higher level of technical expertise to manage and maintain. The absence of a dedicated support team means users might have to rely on community forums for assistance. While this fosters a sense of camaraderie, it might not always provide the timely and specialized support required in a professional setting. Closed-source LLMs often present themselves as the reliable workhorses of the AI world. Developed and maintained by dedicated teams, these models undergo rigorous testing and quality assurance. This meticulous approach ensures a high level of reliability and performance, making them suitable for mission-critical applications. Another significant advantage of closed-source models is the availability of comprehensive support. Users can rely on the expertise of dedicated support teams to troubleshoot issues. They can receive guidance on implementation and best practices. This level of support can be invaluable, particularly for organizations lacking extensive in-house AI expertise. Closed-source models often come bundled with user-friendly interfaces and pre-built tools, simplifying the development and deployment process. This streamlined approach allows organizations to integrate AI capabilities into their workflows without requiring extensive technical knowledge. However, the walled garden approach of closed-source models has its drawbacks. The lack of transparency can make it difficult to assess the ethical implications of the model's decision-making process. This opacity can be a cause for concern, particularly in applications where fairness and accountability are paramount. Furthermore, the dependence on a single provider can lead to vendor lock-in, limiting an organization's flexibility and potentially increasing costs in the long run. Choosing between open and closed LLMs is akin to navigating a crossroads. Each path offers its own unique set of advantages and drawbacks. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. The optimal choice depends on a multitude of factors, each carrying its own weight in the decision-making process. Organizations must carefully weigh the benefits of transparency and community-driven development offered by open-source models against the reliability and support provided by closed-source alternatives. This balancing act requires a thorough understanding of the organization's specific needs, technical capabilities, and risk tolerance. The decision-making process is further complicated by the rapidly evolving nature of the AI field. New models and technologies emerge at a breakneck pace, What seems like the ideal choice today might become obsolete tomorrow. This constant state of flux necessitates a flexible and adaptable approach, one that allows organizations to pivot and adjust their strategies as the landscape evolves. Ultimately, the choice between open and closed LLMs is not merely a technical one. It reflects an organization's values, its commitment to innovation, and its long-term vision for how AI will shape its future. By carefully considering the trade-offs and challenges inherent in each approach, organizations can make informed decisions that align with their goals and propel them forward in the age of artificial intelligence.